Have you ever wondered if you're living your healthiest life? Or perhaps you're considering making some lifestyle changes for the better? Either way, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the importance of a healthy lifestyle and provide you with 10 essential tips to get started. These tips are designed to help you make sustainable changes that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards a healthier you? Let's dive into these 10 tips. Tip number 1, set clear goals. Ask yourself, why do you want to live a healthier lifestyle? This is a crucial first step. Your reasons could be anything from wanting to lose weight, to boosting your fitness levels, or simply enhancing your overall well-being. The key is to have a clear vision that can fuel your motivation and keep you on track when the going gets tough. Moving on to our second tip, remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your healthy lifestyle. It's all about making gradual, sustainable changes. Instead of attempting a complete life overhaul overnight, try incorporating small changes into your daily routine. Maybe swap your mid-morning donut for a piece of fruit, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small steps can add up over time and are more likely to become long-lasting habits. Now let's talk about the third tip, maintaining a balanced diet. It's about more than just cutting out junk food. Aim to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. At the same time, try to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. A balanced diet will not only help you maintain a healthy weight but also provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs for optimal function. Remember, a balanced diet is a cornerstone of health, so make it a priority. Moving on to our fourth tip, let's talk about portion control. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain when consumed in large quantities. So, consider using smaller plates or bowls to help manage your servings. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right. Next, let's not forget the importance of staying hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in our overall health, including digestion, nutrient absorption, and even appetite control. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, particularly before meals, to help keep your body functioning optimally. Lastly, let's touch on regular exercise. Physical activity is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's a brisk walk, a gym session, or a yoga class, strive to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity exercise each week, coupled with strength training. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can significantly boost your health and energy levels. Tip number 7, get adequate sleep. Sleep is as vital to our health as diet and exercise. It's not just about getting enough hours in bed, but about quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep every night. During sleep, your body rejuvenates, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to make healthier choices throughout the day. Moving on to tip number 8, manage stress. We all experience stress, but chronic stress can take a toll on our health and lead to unhealthful habits. Find techniques that work for you to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. These practices can help calm the mind and body, promoting overall well-being. Next up is tip number 9, seek support. Embarking on a healthy lifestyle journey can be challenging, and having a support system can make a significant difference. Share your goals with friends and family, or consider joining a fitness group. You may also want to seek professional guidance from a nutritionist or personal trainer. They can provide tailored advice and help you stay on track. Finally, tip number 10, track your progress. Keep a journal to record your meals, exercise, and how you feel. This can help you identify patterns in your behavior and hold you accountable. It's also incredibly rewarding to look back and see how far you've come. Tracking your progress is a powerful way to stay motivated and see the results of your hard work. And there you have it, 10 essential tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. From setting clear goals to making gradual changes, maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise, managing stress, and tracking your progress. Each step is vital in creating a sustainable and beneficial lifestyle. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a race. So be patient with yourself, stay committed, and over time, these habits will become second nature, leading to a happier, healthier life.